Hi there, Kale from the future here. Hey, if I've learned anything over my lifetime of experiences, it's the only thing I know for certain is that I don't know. So while this is a cool project and I might do it again, I don't know why what happened happened. So if you have some feedback for me, if you've seen this before, please leave a comment. Let me know. I'm always looking to learn. And if you find this kind of video helpful, maybe consider liking and subscribing. It sure helps me out a lot, and it motivates me to keep sharing my failures and my successes. So on with the video. Thanks. Hi there. Welcome to the shop. I'm Kale. So I've got this scrap piece of hickory left over from an old project and need to figure out, and here comes my shop. This will make the blooper roll, I suppose. Can I help you? Yeah? Give me 5. Hi there. Welcome to the shop. I'm Kale. So I have this scrap piece of hickory left over from a project that we did not too long ago, and I have a need for it in the kitchen. So let's see if we can make something cool out of it. Hang out with me and I'll show you what I'm up to. Hey, have you ever heard of carbonated coffee? Yeah, me neither. Bubbles don't belong in coffee. Ugh. So sad. Some of this is dust covering up my awesome bubble job. Thought I'd share this just to show that woodworking projects don't always work out. I'd originally planned to kind of put a bar top in here, a coffee bar. Haha, see what I did there? But anyway, did this in 4 pours. First pour was all black. Second pour was really thin, only about 1/8 of an inch, just to allow me to put these coffee pieces in place that I spent all day cutting in half with power tools. Then another thin layer to hold the coffee beans in place. I'd done coffee bean tables before and they trap a lot of air bubbles, so I did a tiny little layer, 1/8 inch maybe, to set the coffee beans in place. Let that fully cure. Came back the next day, did another pour, let that cure, then came back and did this final pour, and as you can see, oh look, check it out. We got fly too. Anyway, carbonated coffee, yeah. No thanks. I don't want bubbles in my resin. Thought I'd share this just to show that woodworking projects don't always work out. Oh well, back to the shop.